On May 12, more than 1,179 nurses from all across Malaysia gathered in Kuantan, Pahang, to celebrate International Nurses Day. This spirited event, organized by the Malaysian Nurses Association, wasn't just a celebration, it was a powerful statement of commitment and dedication. Dr. Aisyahton Suhaimi, president of the Malaysian Nurses Association, opened the event with a passionate speech. She emphasized that the theme, "Our Nurses, Our Future, Caring for Nurses Strengthens Economies," is not just a slogan but a call to action. Investing in nurses means investing in a robust healthcare system, a healthier community, and a competitive economy. Your work is invaluable, your voice matters, and your dedication deserves recognition at all levels. Also addressing the audience, Dato Indera Dr. Nor Azimi Yunis, Deputy Director General of Health, highlighted the essential role nurses play not just in hospitals but also in community healthcare. Community health initiatives, especially those aimed at preventing non-communicable diseases, heavily rely on nursing care. Nurses working in remote communities, particularly among indigenous populations, deserve special recognition. Reflecting on international practices, Dr. Nor Azimi pointed to Indonesia's strong commitment to the nursing profession as a model Malaysia can learn from. She also stressed raising the visibility of nurses while preserving their professional identity. Gauri Narayanan, Director of Nursing at the Ministry of Health Malaysia, discussed some significant challenges. Malaysia is facing a shortage of 40,000 nurses. Gauri stressed that many nurses feel professionally stagnant due to systemic barriers, including non-merit-based advancement. Every ringgit invested in nurse well-being returns 2.4 times the value, boosting the national economy. Investing in healthy, safe working conditions benefits both nurses and patients, she said in conclusion. The event also honored 3 remarkable nurses for their exceptional dedication in service and education: Nornisa Bakri, Saria Wahet, and Adjunct Professor Dr. Mariama Masalamani.